Enter an address or zip code to get started. This will load an interactive map of postal carrier routes in your general market area. You can hover over any route to learn about its demographics and get mailbox counts. You can add or remove routes from your campaign simply by clicking on them. Have a target audience in mind? You can heat map your local market by income, age, home ownership, and more. The red areas on the heat map have the highest match rate to your target audience and may be more likely to respond to your offers. You can also target by geographic proximity. Just click to apply a radius or drive time distance from your business. As you make selections, you'll find a summary of total addresses, product options, and pricing on the right menu.